Juneteenth is more than a date in history. It's a reminder of strength, progress, and the power of freedom. It represents how far we've come, the sacrifices that were made to get here, and the work that still lies ahead. It's a time to reflect, celebrate, and appreciate the resilience of those who fought for a better future. A future built on hope, opportunity, and the belief that everyone deserves the chance to grow, succeed, and create something meaningful for themselves and their families. Freedom is about more than just the past. It's about having the ability to make choices today that can change your tomorrow. It's about building stability, creating opportunity, and putting yourself in a position to live life on your terms. At TruPowur, that's something we believe in deeply. We believe that when people have the right information and the right options, they can make better decisions for their future. That's why we're committed to helping families and businesses take control of one of the biggest monthly expenses they face: energy. Whether it's helping homeowners find better rates on electricity and natural gas, or helping businesses lower overhead and improve their bottom line, we're proud to offer solutions that make a real difference. Because saving money isn't just about dollars and cents, it's about creating breathing room. It's about reducing stress. It's about having more freedom to focus on what matters most. And for those looking to build something bigger for themselves, TruPowur is also a place where entrepreneurs can create income, build residuals, and take ownership of their future. Because freedom isn't just about where you started, it's about where you decide to go. This Juneteenth, let's honor the past, celebrate the progress, and keep moving forward together, stronger, wiser, and more united than ever. From our TruPowur family to yours, happy Juneteenth.